Hey guys, the Pro Button here, and today I am playing this really fun game called Among Us. I suggested download it, but the only problem is it has some violent scenes, some blood, and murdering. So, if you don't want to play a game with that stuff, don't play this. Because that's basically the whole point of the game. Because it's going to be one imposter and several crewmates, and the imposter has to try and kill everybody, but then say that they're not it. And then when somebody finds a dead body, they report it. This is a really bad explanation, but they report it, and then you have to vote out a person who you think it is. And if you get it wrong, then you play again. Okay, do you want to? I'm just gonna go on a different server. But there's a twist today, and it's that I'm going to be playing with touchscreen instead of a joystick. You usually do that on a computer, but I play on iPad. So I'm just going to play 3 rounds and see if I can actually survive with this. I'm already sucky. Okay, now you see those yellow exclamation marks? Those are the tasks that you have to complete. So you have to go and complete them. And then also there's an emergency meeting button if you see somebody go in the vents, which only the imposters can do. Then you'd probably run over here, click it, and then say, yeah, I saw this person go in the vents. But not everybody will believe you. Oh, already? That was fast. Okay, so we're supposed to discuss. You usually ask where. Who called it out? Brown? Okay. Nobody's answering. Where was I? It was... I was in the cafeteria? Wait, what? We haven't discussed anything. I'm just gonna say, alright, I'm going to skip. It's beta. I want to do that immediately. Cheese told me. Okay, I'm just gonna skip. Oh, it's a tie between red and skipped. Okay, so then no one was ejected. There's also other maps, but this is my favorite one. So, oh yeah, I didn't complete any of the tasks. Wow. Download. It's gonna take 7 hours, 1 hour, 9 minutes, 1 second. Because everybody does that. Oh, yeah. So then there's the long tasks, where you just have to go to 2 different places. So now I have to go to this place called Admin, where it's actually a pretty good place, because if you click on a certain button, you can see where everybody else is. Oh, another one. Who reported this time? Same person. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's a self-report twice, because you can do that. When you kill somebody, they pretend, oh, this person. Cheese told me. How can you trust cheese? Wait, okay, I'll just vote for this person. Okay, they seem pretty suspicious. If it's not them, then it's probably blue. Oh, okay, it was them. So, anyways, I won a round with touchscreen. Okay, let's play again. Oh, ads. Oh, don't want to get copyrighted. Okay, let's find a new game. It's salad. Yay. Oh, I'm brown. I don't care. because before it was purple. But somebody else was... Oh, somebody just left, of course. And that was purple. Wait a minute. Oh, the imposter left. I won another round. Okay, I'm not going to count that as a round. There's salad. Fix. Question and any. Wait, what? Connor 065. I see. Oh no. Sorry, it's just my door closing. Okay, shh. We have to be quiet. I'm a crewmate because everybody else can hear me. Oh, 3 in electrical? Are you serious? It's 1 in med bay. Electrical is probably the worst place to go because it's dark in there, so you can't see if anybody else is there. Are you serious? I'm not gonna count that again. Why do people just keep leaving? Ugh, Papa Bad. Wait, it's not Papa Bad. Okay, let's play again. I just sausage. We got Adam's sausage over here. We got sugar, salad. Oh, I didn't see the other 2 people. Oh. Kagan left the game due to error. Aw. Oh, there's only 5 of us? Okay. But this is still my second round. Right? It's where my tasks. Okay. So if you didn't know what I meant by the vents earlier, this is a vent. Like that. Okay, O2. Oh, right there. Oh, okay, so you have to flush the garbage out. So you basically just have to go there. Then in storage... Oh, come on. This is hard to do. No, I'm going to go for the arrows. Not the arrow. No, come on. Okay. Oh, it's just the reactor ones. Salad is right behind me. Wait, what? Did someone just leave? Seriously, why can't I just play? I'll count that as my second round because I actually did get to play for like a minute. But, yeah, I'm just going to find a different server. Okay, let's see. Let's find extra person. Oh, wow. Okay. I actually could join. And they're right there. Oh, I'm lime green. Oh my gosh, we're fast. We're times 2 speed. That means you go twice as fast as you usually should. I don't really like that, but there's a lot of people, so, you know, doesn't hurt. Oh, wow, there's a lot of navigation. Going so fast. Oh, I see. There's a lot of tasks to do. This is hard to use when it's super fast. This will be a good last round if the imposter isn't just like, yeah, I'm getting bored. Player is probably not it. You know, I can see why people put it on this, because then you just, like, can't play. Oh, I think it's orange. I think I just saw orange come out of the vents. I don't know if I should call it, though. I think I just saw orange come out of the vents. I'm just gonna finish this task and see if orange is nearby. Trump. Dead body. You guys can say. Out of the vents in admin. It's Millen. Oh, are they just saying that they're it? Okay. I should probably just vote. Pipela. No idea what that means. Okay, they just vote. Please vote. Oh, proceeding. Let's see, were they it? Oh, okay. So then the person who was saying, oh yeah, it's that person. They're kind of suspicious now. Okay, my tablet, headquarters. 28%. Oh, I have 47 minutes left. 20. Okay, this video's gonna be 3 seconds long, and bye! Task completed. Okay, now let's see. I'm just gonna do... Oh, there's another one in admin. So on admin here, you can look. I think it's... Really? Okay, why not 5 rounds instead? Ooh, look at tax. So we got extra bot, lollipop, lollipop, lollipop. We got a tax boy, and then we got Millhouse, 87,000. And then we got we got Fruit Loop over here. You see Fruit Loop? I know my foods. Okay, when are we gonna start? At 8 people, because we're at 7. Usually, a lot of people join when you get to like 6 or 7, and they're like, "Okay, this round is gonna start soon." Oh, there we go. Talk. Okay, so you got love, don't know, love. I don't know. You got question mark with an apple on top. Wasn't that a Dr. Seuss book? Is it just me or do I? Is it just me? I don't really know it's Dr. Seuss. Cat in the Hat. I've probably watched the movie about 10 times. The sad thing is I'm not even exaggerating in that. Okay, oh my gosh, this is taking so long to start. Okay, let's see. Shh. You have to be quiet because I'm a crewmate. And the apple guy's an imposter because he tried to be part of that Dr. Seuss book with apples on top or whatever. O2, I'm gonna go in here. Is it 02 or O2? I have no idea. I'm never gonna... No. What's the video? Oh no, reactor meltdown. No. Reactor meltdown, no. Okay, well, Tax Boy is kind of being, quiet and not moving because it's probably AFK or whatever it's called. That's why I don't like touchscreen because it took me a while. Oh, there we go. Oh, we also got Power Rangers over here. Okay, can I find anybody? What about an electrical? I know we have no tax. Oh, it's red! It's red! It's red! I'm gonna report it that I saw red coming out of the vents. I saw red coming out of the vents. Nope, not there. I saw red coming out of the vents. Vents, I'm slow at typing. Oh, really? Seriously? Okay, Pokemon Go. Catch the Pokemon. Okay, so now you're on your phone. And you got stuck inside there. Okay. Oh, right, the X. Okay, let's see. Oh, we only got 3 players. We got X. That's a cherry. Okay, then we got a lollipop, la 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 lollipop, la 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 la. Let's actually just try a different server. Okay, and small bean. Oh, won't you look at that? Well, we got a Cinderella, furry, hey men, or young men. Shh. Am I gonna be imposter? No, I'm a crewmate. Okay, let's do this again. Usually when I'm not recording. Oh, the player speed is now slow. Mommy, help me. I'm slow. No, cherry on top is being suspicious because there's nothing there. Yeah. Cherry on top was being suspicious. And admin, you'll go there next. Albie, what are you doing in communications? Nothing. I see. I'm gonna follow you, but really I'm just gonna... Lucas, lock these doors. No, I'm stuck. Okay, well, let's see who's outside of here. There's 3 in admin. I just left. Oh, yeah, everybody just left. Okay, let's swipe this card. Okay, oh, we got Go-Go, Furry, oh, whoa. I have no idea who it could be. Cinderella. Near the body. I think it might be blue. Cinderella. I saw orange and red bay. Wait. I didn't. I'm not the imposter. Just watch this video. It's not being live streamed. Okay, I'm really suspicious of Cinderella over here, so I was coming from upper engine. Okay, purple and blue are kind of sus. That means suspicious if you don't know. Oh, skip vote. Oh, and, we got Shiro Yukio. So, oh wow, nobody voted for me. Isn't that kind of weird? Nobody voted for Cinderella. I guess the algorithms are like, yeah, there's not 2 imposters. It's probably not either one of you. What the? Hey, Pink. What's she doing up there? Trying to go in the vents? It's kind of suspicious. Okay, I don't want to seem like I'm following this person. Oh, seriously? I was gonna go to electrical, but I guess I'll go to reactor. There's honeybee. Let's see. Okay, they were both in there from before, so that's good. Oh, this one. I actually haven't ever done this one. 2, 3. There we go. I completed it. Oh. Okay, now I got reactor. Go. Let's see. Is there anybody over here? Honeybees being weird. Reactor. Oh, I guess that's Cinderella. Oh, it's this guy. Do. It's like the Simon thing. Oh. Where? doing the task. In admin. I wasn't over there. I was with dark green. It was next to the cafeteria. Oh. Wait a minute. How did dark green know that? He just said, or she, I was coming from electrical. Wait a minute. Did dark green report it? No, it's silver. Cinderella's saying I'm skipping. I don't want to be. Oh. They just left. Okay, I think I'm gonna skip again. Someone voted for themselves. Whoa, somebody voted for me. Hey, that wasn't nice. That wasn't very nice. Okay, here we go. Insert Sonic music. I thought Sonic was gotta go fast, so I don't want to get copyrighted. Dude. Oh, I see. You just left off from where I was before. Okay. Furry. Oh, whoa. Okay, they probably would have killed me there. So I'm just gonna inspect everywhere. Did someone just leave? Where the heck did dark green go? Where did dark green just go? Is dark green still in here? Okay, let's look on the cameras. Oh my gosh, this is why I don't like touch. There's dark green. Reactor and security. Oh, okay. Oh, did you see orange? Did you see orange? I'm gonna go report that I saw orange come out of the vents. Come on. Orange come out of vents on security. I saw orange coming out the vents. Okay, I don't want to vote yet, although, actually, yeah, I'm just gonna vote. I'm self-vote. Wow. Okay, so it's orange. Yes. Who? No, not skip. Why did you just vote for yourself? Okay, and bye-bye Mike Wazowski. I guess you do have one eye. Oh, wow, they just left. Okay, so that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and now watch the meme I'll put at the end of every video. I don't like it!